Good day to all employers. I am Shilami Bermudo Dayo, 27 years old, from Poblacion, Ilawod, Sara, Iloilo, Philippines. A single parent of 1-year-old child. I am high school graduate. My height is 151 cm and my weight is 47 kg. I am the youngest among 3 siblings. My hobbies are cooking, reading books, singing, and playing with my child. In the year 2019 to 2021, I work here in Philippines as a nanny of 3-year-old child. My duties are taking care of him, cooking food for him, feed him, showering, and bring him to the playground. I also do household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I also can cook some simple Filipino food dishes. And now I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to provide my needs of my child and my family. Before this video ends, I want to sing a song short for you titled ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you. I hope you like my song. I am hoping that I can meet with you very soon. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and willing to learn new things. That's all. Thank you so much.